A while back in one of my videos about UI design, you guys started an interesting comment thread about Western UI versus non-Western UI. They were mostly arguing, but let's analyze Western UI versus non-Western UI, and I think we'll find that it's not about design, but understanding people and cultures. So what does cross-cultural interface design really mean? When we design interfaces, we often think about our target audience, but in today's global society, our audience can come from anywhere, China, Russia, or the UK. And each culture has its own unique preferences and expectations when it comes to design. Take a look at the Uniqlo website. In Japan and China, the site is quite busy, filled with lots of information and promotions, which appeals to their local audience. On the other hand, the British Uniqlo website is clean and minimalist. It's the same thing in this example between Tencent News and Google News. Tencent's main page is packed with text and call to actions catering to users who enjoy complex and information-rich interfaces. Google News offers a simpler, more streamlined design aligning with Western preferences for minimalism. Let's look at China. Why do Chinese users prefer a more complicated UI UX? Some theories suggest that it reflects the complexity of Chinese language and cultural inclinations towards detailed and abundant information. It's almost like visiting a digital marketplace bustling with choices and opportunities is much like the physical malls that are integral to Chinese consumer culture. Now, is complicated UI UX necessarily bad? Alibaba's Singles Day sale recorded $2.5 billion in just one day. What might seem overwhelming to the Western eye can actually be incredibly effective in a different cultural context. In Southeast Asia, we see a blend of both Western and Chinese design philosophies. Platforms like Lazada and Shopee, I don't know if I'm saying that right, thrive by catering to diverse preferences. So clearly, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to UI UX design. UI design is not just about creating something that looks good or functions well, it's about connecting with people, understanding their needs, and respecting their cultural backgrounds. Next time you design, think beyond borders and beyond your screens. Think about people.